Ever booked a meeting and felt like you were playing phone tag, or endlessly emailing back and forth trying to find a time that works for everyone? It's a universal pain, right? And it's a pain that HubSpot Meetings aims to solve. But what if you don't have a website? Can you still harness the power of this scheduling tool? That's the question we're tackling today. Hey everyone, and welcome. We're diving deep into HubSpot Meetings, specifically addressing the burning question. Can you use it without a website? It's a question I get asked a lot, and the answer, while a little nuanced, is a resounding yes. But there are some important caveats, so stick around to the end to make sure you're getting the most out of HubSpot Meetings, website or no website. Now, before we jump into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why would you even want to use a scheduling tool like HubSpot Meetings? Well, think about all the time you waste just trying to set up a meeting. You're checking your calendar, they're checking theirs, you're suggesting times, they're suggesting alternatives, and before you know it, 15 minutes have vanished just like that. HubSpot Meetings eliminates this back and forth. You simply share a link, and the other person can choose a time that works for them, directly from your available slots. It integrates seamlessly with your calendar, preventing double bookings and automatically sending out confirmations and reminders. It's a game changer for productivity. So, back to our main question, website or no website. The beauty of HubSpot Meetings is that you don't need a website to use its core functionality. You can create a personalized meeting link, which acts as your scheduling page. This link can be shared anywhere, in emails, social media, even text messages. Think of it as your digital business card, but instead of just your contact information, it also offers your availability. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, you'll need a HubSpot account. You can start with a free CRM account, which gives you access to HubSpot Meetings. Once you're in, navigate to the Sales tab and select Meetings. Here, you can customize your meeting link. You can choose a personalized URL, like hub.spot/yourname/meeting type, making it professional and easy to remember. Next, you'll connect your calendar. HubSpot integrates with most popular calendar platforms, like Google Calendar, Outlook, and Apple Calendar. This integration is crucial because it's how HubSpot knows when you're available and prevents those frustrating double bookings. Once connected, you can set your availability, your working hours, the duration of your meetings, and any buffer time you need between appointments. Now, here's where the no website part really shines. After you've customized your meeting link and set your availability, you can simply copy that link and share it with anyone you want to meet with. They don't need to visit a website. They don't need to fill out a contact form. They just click the link. This takes them to your personalized scheduling page, where they can see your available time slots and choose one that works for them. It's that simple. But, and this is a big but, while you can absolutely use HubSpot Meetings without a website, having a website opens up a whole new level of integration and functionality. Think about it. Instead of just sharing a link, you could embed your meeting scheduler directly onto your website. This makes it incredibly easy for potential clients or customers to book a meeting with you. They're already on your site, exploring your services or products, and now they can schedule a consultation with just a few clicks. It streamlines the entire process and significantly improves the user experience. If you have a website, you can also customize the look and feel of your meeting scheduler to match your branding. You can add your logo, choose your brand colors, and even customize the confirmation page. This creates a more professional and cohesive experience for your visitors. Another advantage of having a website is that you can use HubSpot's other marketing tools to drive traffic to your meeting scheduler. For example, you could create a call to action button on your website that says, "Book a free consultation," and links directly to your meeting scheduler. You could also use HubSpot's email marketing tools to send out newsletters with a link to your meeting scheduler, encouraging your subscribers to book a meeting with you. So, while you can definitely use HubSpot Meetings without a website, having a website amplifies its power and unlocks its full potential. It's like having a basic phone versus a smartphone. Both can make calls, but a smartphone offers so much more functionality and convenience. Now, let's address some common questions about using HubSpot Meetings without a website. First, what about branding? While you can't fully customize the look and feel of your scheduling page without a website, you can still personalize it. As mentioned earlier, you can choose a professional meeting link, like hub.spot/yourname/meeting type, and you can customize the meeting details, such as the meeting title and description. Second, what about tracking? How do you know where your meetings are coming from if you're just sharing a link? HubSpot offers some basic tracking features, even without a website. You can track the number of meetings booked, the average meeting duration, and other key metrics. However, with a website and HubSpot's marketing tools, you can get much more granular data, such as which pages on your website are driving the most meetings. Third, what about different meeting types? Can you offer different types of meetings without a website? Yes, you can. You can create multiple meeting links for different types of meetings, such as a consultation, a demo, or a follow-up call. Each link can have its own unique settings, such as the meeting duration and the available times. So, to summarize, can you use HubSpot meetings without a website? Absolutely. It's a fantastic tool for simplifying scheduling, and you can use its core functionality by sharing your personalized meeting link. However, if you have a website, integrating HubSpot meetings into your site significantly enhances its functionality, branding, and tracking capabilities. It's a powerful combination that can streamline your scheduling process and boost your productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.